Jefferson City Correctional Center. The Jefferson City Correctional Center JCCC is a maximum security prison in Jefferson City, Missouri, operated by the Missouri Department of Corrections. It houses up to 1996 inmates, with a staff of 660. It is located at Jefferson City Correctional Center C-5, Institution 8200 No More Victims Road, Jefferson City, MO 65101. The current JCCC was opened on September 15, 2004, replacing the Missouri State Penitentiary, also located in Jefferson City, an aging facility first opened in 1836. It is near the Algoa Correctional Center. Notable inmates: Bobby Bostick, sentenced to 241 years for armed robbery and a carjacking committed when he was 16 years old in 1995.